Multidimensional Poverty Index. So, what is Multidimensional Poverty Index? The Multidimensional Poverty Index is a measure of poverty that takes into account various dimensions of well-being beyond income or consumption alone. It was developed by the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative in collaboration with the United Nations Development Programme. The MPI assesses poverty at the individual level by considering multiple indicators in three dimensions that are health, education, and standard of living. Each dimension is measured using several indicators, and individuals are classified as multidimensionally poor if they are deprived in at least one-third of the weighted indicators. So there is a mention the three dimensions and some example indicators are health, education and standard of living. In health, we focused on nutrition, child stunting, child mortality, and in education we focus on years of schooling, school attendance. In standard of living, we will focus on cooking fuel, sanitation, drinking water, electricity, and housing. So, what is the Global Multidimensional Poverty Index? The Global Multidimensional Poverty Index is an international measure of acute multidimensional poverty covering over 100 developing countries. It complements traditional monetary poverty measures by capturing the acute deprivations in health, education and living standards that a person faces simultaneously. It was first launched in 2010 by the OPHI. It means Oxford Poverty and Human Development and the Human Development Report Office of the UNDP. Here is a mention Global Multidimensional Poverty Index, dimensions and indicators of poverty. As I already told you, there are three dimensionally poverty dimensions of poverty: health, education and living. Health divided into nutrition and child mortality, education, year of schooling and school attendance, living standards, cooking fuel, sanitation, drinking water, electricity, housing and other assets. So in this table show the global MPI dimensions, indicators, deprivations, cutoff and weights. Here you can see deprived of living a householders where for health any person under 70 years of age for whom there is nutrition information is undernourished and focused on SDG goal of SDG 2 zero hunger. For child mortality, a child under 18 has died in the household in the 5 years period preceding the survey. And we focused on SDG goal health and well-being, the number 3. In education, for year of schooling, we focused on no eligible household member has completed 6 years of schooling, and for this we focused on SDG 4 quality education. And for school attendance, any school age children is not attending school up to the age which he or she would complete class 8. For this, we focused on SDG goal for quality education. What about living standards? Cooking fuels, A household cooks using solid fuel such as dung, agricultural crops.